Onion 1 lager chopped. Fry until golden brown. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Two tomato chopped. Little bit water. Yogurt 1 cup, salt to taste, red chili powder ½ tsp, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, paprika powder ½ tsp, black seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon, kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, fennel seed 1/4 of a teaspoon. Must mix it well. Chicken mix pieces 1 kilogram. Green chilies 3. Tinda 1 kilogram. Add yogurt in it. Cook on low flame until water simmer. Crush achar 1 teaspoon. Cover lid and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Garnish with green coriander leaves and garam masala. Serve with garam roti and enjoy it.